Sustainability and environment management are not only at the forefront of our management, they represent the grassroots of our operations. Energy efficiency, saving of waste, saving of water, and reducing the carbon footprint are all important aspects of our operations. It is indeed a pleasant sight and a breath of fresh air to see a chemical and fertilizer plant nestled between a lake, greenery, trees, and a fish pond.
When one goes to the plant and actually to see this, and especially during the migration time, it's a sight. To see so many birds come to literally this is a chemical plant. Unless the environment is clean, these birds are not going to come. And when you actually go there, and it's a photographer's delight. So to go in there and take photographs of these birds and actually have them there in the plant literally is a great feeling for us.
We have created a very nice freshwater pond around which there is a lot of trees, and we have brought in a species of fish, and this attracts the birds. We have a very efficient horticultural team to take care of this. We also have a doctor who comes visiting to take care of the birds. We also have a caretaker for the birds. We are very proud of our bird paradise. It is a unique, sustainable bioindicator and validates the fact that we are an eco-friendly operation. We base this on the 3 R's: reduce, recycle, and reuse. We have made sure that there is zero discharge of wastewater. At CIL as a whole, we have a keen interest to meet all rules and regulations, and that we comply to that. In keeping with this, across all our locations, we have constant interaction with the local community and our management to ensure that they understand our commitment to sustainability and environment.